Hello everyone. I had a video planned for the charger that not quite working out, so I still wanted to have a video for y'all this week. So it's currently 30 degrees, so it's going to be a cold start everything. From my old truck right there, the Dart, the Charger, the Cushman, my John Deere mower, everything. So we're going to start in the backyard, so I'll see you back there. All right, we are in the backyard. We are going to start with something that I've had for several years, and I haven't fired this up for probably more than a year. It's been kind of banished to the backyard. I need to find room for it to actually make use of it again, but let's check it out. It is my 1949 GE Vortelex 16-inch model. This is one of my favorite fans. I haven't turned it on in a while, and I really do need to test it again to make sure everything's still good. It is cold, so any oil in there is going to be a little bit slow starting. It's going to make everything slow to start with it, with the oil being cold and thick and all that. So I already got it plugged up. Let's turn it on. A little bit slow to start. Picking up speed. Almost there. There we go. Let's see, is that low? No, that's high. Okay. There we go. There we go. Gotta get that camera out of the wind. There it is. Love the way this thing, I really love the way this motor sounds when it's actually firing up. When it's warm, freshly lubricated, it has that sound, but a lot shorter. But it's love this fan. One of my best ones in my collection. That's it for the fans, so let's go to something with an engine. All right, we are moving to the John Deere. Usually I have to do full choke on this thing, full choke. One of the best mowers I have ever bought. Since I got it fixed back up, it has never failed to start for me. Being this cold, I was kind of afraid the battery was kind of drained a little bit, but it fired right up. Once the fuel got up to the motor, light lit right off. Now let's get the battery out of the Dart so we can fire up the Cushman. All right, here we go. It's probably the first time I'm connecting this battery with it in the battery tray. All right. I think I remember I'm a little bit low on oil, so let me go top this out before I try to fire this up. All right, we are good on oil. I've got the choke on. There's fuel. Almost. It wants to. There we go. This sit and warm up a little bit. Killed it. Was not happy with that, I guess. Warm up a little bit before you drive it, even when it's warm outside. This is also the first time I fired it up since I reinstalled the air cleaner system, so probably needs a little bit of adjustment with that being on. Dang, not happy with that. Okay. Seems to be happy with the choke on, so I'm gonna leave it on. And I think I'm gonna take this for a little spin around the backyard. And this thing is not happy. I think I'm gonna leave this right here and push it back. Let's get this battery out of here. Once I get this back here and get the dart fired up. All right, well, battery is back in the dart, so let's go. Okay. Loving this digital dash. Still got to get this thing on my ramps and tighten up the pipes on the bottom. I still got a little bit of the chicken coming from the pipes and manifold connections. I still have to get a tack filter to clean up my tack signal because it's bouncing around a little bit, as you can see. But this dash is still, I'm just loving it. Love how quiet that engine compartment is. Definitely a bit cold-natured, especially with the aftermarket intake taking away the exhaust crossover. But I am in gear. Let's see. There we go. That'll be it for the Dart. Now let's go to my 1970 D100. All right, here we go. I love these quick disconnects on the battery. Even though I trust this electrical system, not really so much with this battery, because I do have to I do need to take off this one wire regulator. Even though I trust the electrical system, I still have a habit of doing this. I haven't really messed with this thing too much since my last video on it, fixing the Holly. I may have to jump this off. Nope, there it goes. Got good oil pressure. I'm still, my gas gauge works, so I am actually that low. With the Dart, I just love how quiet the engine compartment is. Feels great. Running about 6 psi. I do actually want to change up my air cleaner and my valve covers. I'm kind of getting tired of seeing the Mickey Thompson on here, so I do actually want to change these. got to do on this thing. I really got to drive it, kind of clear out some of this carbon. Also, I think I fouled out some plugs when it was over fueling. It still might be over fueling a little bit. Alright, that's it for the truck. Now let's go to the charger. And here's the charger. I actually had to charge the battery up because it was dead. Not dead, just too weak to start the car. So, should start pretty nice. Got something in the way in here, let me get it out. I'm going to make sure my cutouts are closed. See, that's open. Closed. That's closed. There it is. There's everything I can fire up minus my weed eater and push mower. Everything that has a key that I can fire up has been fired up. Been a while since I started the charger, so that's why I had to charge the battery. Last time I went to fire it up, the battery was dead and I just hadn't messed with it. The Cushman, I'm pretty sure the issue with that is I need to tune it a little bit better. especially with having the air cleaners set up back on it. And I'm hoping my little messing around with it, driving around on it, has not burnt up the clutch, and I may have to invest in a new clutch on it pretty soon. But I'm pretty sure that the issue with it dying and not wanting to move is just tuning. But there it is. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.